Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and in this video I want to show you how to figure out which RAM ProMaster cargo van you have. It's a question we get all the time in our customer service department on how to figure out which van you have. Now, the RAM ProMaster is offered in 3 wheelbase options, and wheelbase is the measurement from the middle of your rear axle to the middle of your front axle, so kind of the length of the van. And so it's offered in the 118 inch, the 136, and the 159. Now that 159 inch wheelbase has 2 body lengths. There's basically a regular body length, which is what this van is. Then there's the extended, which gives you a little bit more room off the back of that rear axle, a little bit more rear overhang. So I'm just going to show you a couple measurements real quick that you can take to figure out which van you have. The first one is to just take that measurement between your front and rear axle. So coming in on my tape measure right here, right at the center of the wheel, center up there, we're looking like 159. So this is a 159 inch wheelbase. If you're coming at 136, you got the 136. If you're coming at 118, you've got the 118. Now, one more measurement you need to take if you got the 159 is to figure out the body length. So I like to bring this tape measure again, right up here to the center of the rear axle, go all the way down to this rear bumper, and you can see right about 42 inches right there is going to be your regular length. If you're another foot beyond that, if you're looking 50, 52, 54 inches, you got the extended model. Now, another thing on these 159 inch wheelbases is beginning in 2023, they offer 2 roof heights, a high roof and a super high roof. Now, if you have a model before 2023, it's going to be just a high roof. If you have a 136 inch or 118 inch wheelbase, it may be a high roof and it may be a standard roof. And so I want to show you just this measurement from the bottom of this rear tire here to the top of our roof, go all the way up to your top corner. Kind of see them like right at the top of the corner there. Hold this against the van, go right here at the rear axle, like right around 96, 97 inches, plus that tape measures 3 1/4 inches. So we're about 100 inches off the ground to the top corner of the roof up there. So this is going to be a high roof. If you're about 9 inches higher than that, you're going to have that super high roof. And then if you're about 9 inches shorter than 100, you're looking at like 90, 91, you've probably got the standard roof. So those measurements will help you figure out which van you have. Again, take that measurement from front axle to rear axle. If you've got the 159, take that additional measurement from the middle of the rear wheel to the edge of that bumper. Figure out if you got the extended or the regular. Then again, just confirm your roof height. Make sure you know if you've got the standard roof, which is the lowest roof, if you've got the high roof, or you got that super high roof that's now available on these ProMasters. Now again, this is gonna be very important because if you order like a floor or wall liners or shelving or something like that, and you get this wheelbase to the roof height wrong, it's not gonna fit because it's a totally different interior length of the van and so on. So just make sure you get that right before you go ordering a bunch of products to figure out it doesn't fit. And hopefully this video has been helpful to you in figuring out which ProMaster you have. Now, if you're looking for any equipment to upfit this van to make sure it's ready for work or adventure, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan, and have a good one.